South Sydney Youth Services was started in 1975 by a group of local residents who were concerned about young people on the streets late at night. So they would spend their time on the streets talking to young people, finding out what they needed and trying to help them with things like housing, practical assistance, schooling, and reducing their drug use and providing them with the support they needed that they didn't have. Our service is based in the Redfern-Waterloo area. We've been here for many years. Our primary target group are young people, but when you work with young people, you need to work with families as well, and really important for us to provide the support to families. And about 67% of all of our clients are Aboriginal, and the service sees around about 800 people a year. Our services are divided into a number of areas. We provide counselling support to young people with mental health problems.
Our program is called Speak Out, Speak Easy. It's the dual diagnosis program, which means that we work with young people 12 to 25 that have both coexisting mental health and drug and alcohol issues.
The service is probably different to some of the other services I've been to. Just basically the level of dedication and actual care, and you feel like that they're actually here to help.
They've helped me with drug and alcohol issues that I'm having, and a court matter that I'm actually attending at the moment. So my Department of Housing, they're helping me trying to get housed as soon as possible.
The programs that I've been involved in is Links to Learning, Mental Health, OASIS, where I studied my Year 10. I've got the opportunity to travel to Vanuatu and meet new people over there, such as Indigenous.
We have two major education programs for Aboriginal young people.
I coordinate a Links to Learning program for young Indigenous students who are disengaging in school. Our aim is to re-engage them back into school or onto further education opportunities.
I've been involved with South Sydney Youth Services for over 4 years, and they helped me enrol at a school, and I went through for a year and got my Year 10 certificate.
With South Sydney Youth Services, I run the Links to Learning program for unemployed young people, and it's to help disadvantaged youth get into some training to help them get employability skills so they can either move on to future training or into the workforce.
We have a women and children's service.
We provide support for local women around Redfern-Waterloo. We've been here for about 30 years. We provide support with legal matters, counselling services, education programs. We do a lot of housing support and accommodation support. One of our focuses is young mothers.
We are a part of a big family and we have all the support we need. So I'd hate to see, when I do see young girls and young mums out there with no support, I do encourage them to come here for support. And once they come here, they feel so much better, their lives change.
I run the Street Beat Transport and Outreach program. We have a bus that we take out Thursday, Friday and Saturday night. Young people call us on a free phone and we will find them, pick them up and take them home or to another safe place.
I run two programs, post-release support program and local offender program. Post-release support is working with young people 12 to 18-year-old that are locked up in detention centres 6 weeks prior to release, and the local offender program is working with young people 12 to 18 that are at a high chance of going into custody.
What we want to do at our service is give young people opportunities to be creative, to develop ideas for things that they want to do and to move on those.
I've been involved in quite a few projects with South Sydney Youth Services, which would be, I've done a leadership course, also done a lot of work with film, I've helped out in the skate comps.
I've done workshops here, like the Boss Workshop, like to do with like graffiti and becoming your own boss, like starting your own business and stuff like that. And yeah, it was real fun.
Community art is part of life. It involves so many life skills. It involves so much thought and so much reflection on who you are and what makes that painting your identity.
I do social group on Fridays. I've been on a lot of camps with the youth service.
There's lots of ways you can support us. You can volunteer your time, you might want to contribute financially to one of our programs, or you might have some skills that you want to share with us. Give us a call, talk to us about what you're interested in, and maybe we can do something together.